In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $300 just by typing names online. It's completely free and you can do it from anywhere in the world. All you need is a phone or a laptop where you've got internet connection. So it's pretty straightforward. Now, if you wait till the end of the video, I'll show you a little ninja trick that will make it so much easier. It will actually increase your earnings with doing less work. All right, so let's get right on into it. All right, so here's what it's all about. What exactly can you expect? So I'm going to show you how it all works, step by step, how you can make money just typing names on the internet, how you can make $300 a day typing names on the internet. And I'm going to go through how you can get started step by step. And look, it's totally free. You can do it from anywhere in the world. And it's one of those strategies where you don't need a website, you don't need a landing page, and you don't need an email database. And as I said earlier, all you need is a laptop, a desktop, or a phone. And you can do it anywhere you are as long as you've got internet access. Now, if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button below. It helps the algorithm, and give us a thumbs up and hit the bell icon. The other thing that I forgot to mention about this is you get paid straight into your PayPal account or Stripe, whatever it is that you use. Now we're going to be using a website called squadhelp.com. It's a really reputable website. If you go over here to Google and do a search for reviews, and you can take your time, have a look at this 4.9 rating with over 4.9 star rating, 2,000 votes, 2,700 votes. And if you go down here, you'll see really highly ranked 4.5. And for a website that's been around for a long time to keep such a high ranking, it's a credit to it because it's something that's not easy to do. So the first thing you want to do is go to Squad Help and create an account if you don't have an account. Pretty straightforward, it's free. A display name, first, last name, password, and you're going to join as a creative or marketplace seller. Once you've signed up, head on over to the home page and just have a look around, get familiar with it, what it does, all those sorts of things. Have a look at the reviews of people and the types of jobs, gigs that you can get. So what we're actually doing, people are always looking for business names, and a lot of people don't have the time to come up with a name, or they're not creative enough, or for whatever the reason, and so they come to a website like this and entrust it to people like you and me. And as you can see, these are some of the companies that use Squad Help: Philips, Nestle, Stanford University, Dell, Philip, Kraft, Hilton, Ryobi, Virgin, and it goes on. And they wouldn't be using this website if it wasn't reputable and it didn't live up to its name. So you can also get paid to come up with taglines, a slogan, or even a logo. As I say, have a look through here and get familiar with the website because it'll be in your own interest. Just scrolling through here, this is what some of the customers have to say. These are all 5-star. I can't say enough good things about Squad Help. It's easy to use. The creatives are great to work with. The help desk is lightning, fast, and very helpful. I'd highly recommend Squad Help to anyone in need of guidance, creativity when it comes to their business, because if you're like me, you don't have the creativity. Sometimes you just don't want to bother with the time that it takes to come up with a name that suits what it is that you want to do. So how do we do that? Well, we go up here to contests and we can browse active contests. Before you get too far into it all as well, I can't do it because I've already done it. I can't show you on screen. Is go down and under Smart Alerts, just connect your payment details, your PayPal or your Payoneer, so you don't forget, and so when you start doing jobs, they have a way to pay you. Just get it out of the road and done with. So have a look around. Name ideas, beauty, consulting, e-commerce, real estate, tech, and there's many other categories. How it works, so you get a great overview, sort of pricing, winners, leaderboards from the past. And these are some of the people like paid $200, $135, $200, sought to speak, $200, $135, $200, $300. So as you can see, 19 likes, 31 likes, 40, and it goes on. So let's go back to the active contests. It's just loading, I think. You can see on the side here, you can actually filter it by industry, by category, active, pending winner. You can filter by dollar amount. All right, so you can see 266 contests open at the moment. Now, just on this here, you'll see where it says guaranteed prize. You want to, when you're choosing this contest, choose something that's guaranteed prize, because what that means is they're guaranteed they have to pay out at the end of the contest. So here's $500. Brand name for a home goods company. $500 again, straightforward name for a game-changing healthcare app. $335. And so it goes on. Strong brand name for real estate developing and investing company. I think that should be real estate. So you just click on the title, because what you want to do is you want to go in here and read the brief, what it is they want. So it's a contest type, branding and identity logo. Contest package. The contest is part of a bundle. A package for name and logo. Title of the project, Flight Simulation Training School. So what's your business brand about? We're a flight simulation training school that provides professional flight simulation service for flight students and private pilots to sharpen their skill set and improve their knowledge for general aviation. Our flight simulators use real-life controls, gauges, instruments. And so it gives you an overview of what it is. This is some of their emblem. And so they give you this here so you can go to work on creating what it is they want. And you do want to read these and familiar with them, because if you're providing them something that's not in line with what they've requested, they'll just reject you. Okay, so I can hear you saying, how do I actually create a business name? Great question. Look, some people are that way inclined, they're creative and they come up with names very easily. I'm just going to give you a small tip. If you go to Google and do a search for, and this is the tool that comes up. This is one of many. Now, let's say that there was a contest there by a law firm. You just type in lawyer, keep it very broad for a start, and then generate. And then you can see it's generated all these names: Vision Law, Launch Law, Scoot Law, Alliance Law, Cool Law, Thrive Law, Affiliate Law, Informed Law, Approach Law. So you look through, some of these are going to be rubbish, and some you might shortlist. So just play with it. Like it could be, as you can see here, you can put law first or last, Amaze Law, Law Acclaim, and just vary your searches. You might put lawyer, or you might put solicitor, and just see what it generates, because you can basically cut and paste or add one name to another to come up with your ideas. It saves a lot of thinking and allows you to get ahead of the crowd. You can come up with some names pretty quickly while others are still thinking, and be able to submit that. So just browse around and get familiar with it, have a look at the sorts of names it generates, and look, you may even come up with a name yourself that's not there. You could even use more than one business name generator and combine, the words you find in one with the others, so they'll give you different results. So if you're wanting to know the sorts of money that people have earned, so here's one, $84,000 Litodino, 1.7 in the last month. So they've earned $84,000, $11,000, $38,000. And as you go down, there'll be less, but quite significant amounts of money. Now, if you want to just click on a person's name, you actually get to see a bit about them. And as you can see, they've won 311 contests, awarded $66,000, and they've got rankings here. And it just gives you a bit of an overview of them. They're in the United States, interests, etc., etc. So you can just get an overview. And the other thing with this website, you can sell domain names, and they've got some here for sale. $2,499, $2,229, Bliss Owl. So you can sell domains as well. And this will give you a great indication of, what else you can do outside of it, and you can get paid. You can also be an affiliate of this, where you'll get paid for referring people to the site. So here's just a list of her winning portfolio: Fuelstar, Nutrova, Collabo Stations, A Stronger She Starts From Within, Charmed Heart, all, and she's been paid very well for. So I really suggest or recommend that you stick with the contests. That's where the main money is. So the sorts of money that you earn can give you a startup to put it into another sort of business. You might want to do, maybe you want to do Amazon, could give you money for a product. Maybe you want to do some other e-commerce. Maybe you want to do affiliate marketing. Maybe you want to do drop shipping. It gives you some choices. It costs you nothing to create these logos to generate some income to do something else with, if that's what you want to do. So continually scroll through here and just have a look. There's literally hundreds of these, and they're being put on there every day. And that's how you can make $300 a day, just typing names. Now, if you're interested in earning money more passively through what I call affiliate marketing, which is what I do, if you have a look in the link in the description below, there's two links there to some training, some free training, and there's a paid training. Now, have a look at them and just decide for yourself. And if you've got value from the video today, please subscribe, helps the algorithm, and hit that bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you've got questions or comments, leave them below. I always answer the questions myself.